model, 2019 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 L3 Blue HDI spares or repairs Luton low loader. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 148040. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Check engine light on the dash due to this. Nice easy on and off job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,875. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.